back to my channel. It's me, Meiji. I'm back for today video, guys. I will go into reaction. This is first time, guys. Actually, there is somebody. They are comment this one, but I don't think so. I think she's from Indonesia also, but this is first time. Okay. But that maybe the artist is Dar Ayu and Bajul Nada Endanu. Okay, the title of music, guys, is Ikan Dalam Kulam. Guys, give me give me some of information to them, because actually this is, I think, only today. Oh yes, yeah, today only. Okay, today only they are comment to my reaction. Okay, but this is first time, guys. Okay, by the way, guys, there is 18 million views. My God, ulala, too much also. And also there is 33k likes, and there is 1021 comments of this music. Okay, this is 4 minutes. I think this is also Indonesian, I think. Okay, there is a lot of comment right now. Okay, guys, by the way, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Okay, and thank you so much again to always subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much to always comment to my reaction, guys. I hope that you appreciate that all my reaction, guys. Okay, I always thank you, guys. Stay tuned, guys, and please correct me if I'm wrong, because I cannot pronounce properly this name of that artist. Alright? Okay, guys, stay tuned and we will listening that music. Play! music, guys, is event. Okay, I think he's also Indonesia. Salamat Dakang and also Tahimik Kasi. Thank you for your music. I hope that you allowed me to use this music. This is first time that I reaction to them. Just correct me if I am wrong because this one is the name of the channel is Bajul and Nanu Management. Thank you so much to you. I hope that you accept me and that my reaction because if this is copyright, because this is not my own video. Okay, guys, we will give rank to them. Okay, I hope it's good for you. Okay, guys, I will give 10 because you know, even this is a different language, even this one is a first time that I hearing this music, but you know, you can dance if you hear. Maybe in Indonesia, this kind of music is like, you know, you will dance, you know. Like in Philippines, if you hear some of Filipino music, like, you know, that some of music is like, you know, you will dance, right? Same like this, okay? And also, guys, I hope I can make reaction more for her because this is first time that I reaction for her and him. Alright, guys? Okay, guys, now, as of now, it's already done that our reaction. And then, see you in my next reaction. I hope you like my reaction. She's a perfect. She's a good and nice and also him. Okay, just give me information to them because I don't have idea. This is only that our 1 hour viewers, they are comment this one, they are request, they said to me, it's okay, can I make you reaction this one? That's why I make reaction because everybody they can request, but if I can, I can, but if I cannot, okay, because there is a who is the one first, I will be first, that one. Alright? By the way, guys, but if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below. See you my next reaction. Bye-bye and masalama!